Hey guys, I'm going to install a cooler intake in my Chevy Aveo 2005, which I already removed the old filter canister thing right here, box. So I took that off and I'm going to install the cooler intake. It's an aftermarket, but later on I can change it to the K&N filter. And I had to drill a couple holes and put some rubber grommets to install the sensors in there, the sensor and the fitting, the bar fitting here. And these rubber grommets, I got them from Lowe, I believe it was. They got 1/4 inch, 3/4. I mean, got from a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch to 3/4. So I used those rubber grommets to drill the hole here and mount them in there. So let's get started. Oh yeah, this chrome pipe came off of a 2003 Honda Civic. It was a leftover, so I modified it to fit here. I think it's a perfect fit. So I modified it to fit here, so I actually had to cut about maybe like 8 inches off of this. Alright, let me install the sensor and the fitting. Alright, got the fitting in there. Let me install the sensor. There you go. Perfect fit. Alright, pre-mounted the clamps, and now to install the filter. Alright, let's tighten it up. That's good. Let's tighten the filter up. Connect the sensor. And the holes. You gotta get a plier to put that clamp on. The clamp is on, and here, and everything's nice and sturdy. So that's pretty good. They just turned it on and see how it sounds. Alright guys, thanks for watching.